Welcome back, YouTubers. It's your boy Cap coming at you with a new video today, and we're starting a new series, the 2K18 series. So get excited. This is going to be exciting. Um, we're doing the Lakers today, as you guys can see. We are using the Embrace the Pace roster. It's a great roster. I recommend it. If you have a PS4, go use it right now. Like, this is up to date. It's the most realistic for next season. And I think if you compared it, once next season 2K18 comes out, it's going to be very similar, like ratings wise and everything. But let's look at the roster for the Lakers. It looks pretty good. I mean, there are some little moves that we need to make, but that being said, wait, did I miss something? Oh my gosh. They signed Contagious Caldwell Pope. Wow, I wasn't even paying any attention. I literally just woke up. And it's not even like the morning. I have no idea how that happened. That is awesome. I am pumped now. Yes, let's get it. Alright. So, this is our roster for year one. There's really no trades to make because I'm like looking at it from the aspect of we're young and we're gonna try to sign somebody in like next season. But that is awesome. I love that. I think KCP could end up being an incredible player. I think that there's a lot that they just got in that deal. I want to know what they give up in the roster. All right, let's see. Yeah, we have no more cap room. And we do actually, I do know what I need to do. I do know what I need to do. And you guys know what I'm about to do. See ya, Luol. Any trade. Take back Timothy. That'd be pretty funny. Man, why are there so many bad contracts here? We'll do this one first. So we're sending him for Dwayne Dedmon, who's on a 1-year deal, clearing up cap space. Let's go, let's go. And Dwayne Dedmon, he's not bad. He's just not a player option. I don't want him to like be able to come back. I think that's just not helpful for us. No, 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 no. Sauce. Should we get sauce? No thanks. Alright, we're gonna stick with Dedmon, I guess. I mean, there's really we don't need him. There we go. See ya. Bring on Spencer Dinwiddie. Look at that. Clean moves. Clean moves. Alright, now we need to see what we can get for Jordan Clarkson, as he is also pretty expensive. And, well, more cap, the better. Especially for next offseason. Like, that's going to be a big deal. Because, hopefully, I'm hoping. Alright, we don't have it. Or we can't make any more. But if we look at the player contracts, hopefully we can get these two cheaper and sign all these guys back, or the guys we want back. Alright, so again, here let's look at the game plan for you guys. This is lasting a lot longer than I thought, but it looks like a pretty solid starting group. Obviously we're not the greatest team, but we're not bad. We're gonna take Brewers' 9 minutes away. Whoa. 9 minutes away. We're gonna take Brewers 9 minutes away. We're gonna take Brewers 9 minutes away. We're gonna take Brewers 9 minutes away. We're gonna give take Brewers 9 minutes away. Whoa. 9 minutes away. We're gonna take Brewers 9 minutes away. We're gonna give take Brewers 9 minutes away. Whoa. do it this way. Corey Brewer doesn't get a play. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I'll catch you at the end of the first. Here we are at the end of year 1. Russ is your MVP. Markelle Fultz, Rookie of the Year. Jeremy Lin, 6th man. Drummond is your defensive player. Jokic, your most improved. And Tyronn Lue, Coach of the Year. So here's the All-NBA teams. Let's see. These are good teams, or good players. I'm really hoping we can pull off Paul George. All defensive first team. Oh, I forgot about him. Let's see, what else do we have? Alright. We were just outside of the playoffs. But as you can see, we were close. So that's a lot better than the Lakers were in real life last year. And the Warriors win the finals. So that's not surprising. And we'll move on. And time to make some moves. Get us into the playoffs next year. League meetings, good. Nothing's changing. Draft lottery. Sixers didn't get anything from us, which is a good thing. We gotta pick way later. That's awesome. That's awesome. Alright. Do need to sign some new coaches. Steve Kerr, assistant GM, CEO or CFO. My bad. Oh, Gallagher, like, your trainer makes a difference if you develop guys, I guess. So my suggestion is, if you like want to develop in-house guys instead of doing everything through trades and free agency, you need to have a good trainer. Like, they actually do make a difference. Alright, so we have all of our staff rehire or re-signed to something. I guess not re-signed, signed to a new contract. So I'm not sure who was on our staff last year, but it is time to make a couple quick moves, because we can't do much with that pick. So like, I would rather just get a never mind, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna simulate it, and if we get a good player, I mean, is he really worth it? No. What's he potential wise? B minus, C plus? No, we're gonna keep going. Team player options. Obviously, we're gonna pick up everybody on this list. Paul George declines it. Whew. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Obviously, yeah, we'll keep Randall on that qualifying offer. My free agents, Brook Lopez. It'd be nice if we keep him, and Julius, but we can't keep all three of these guys. Thomas Robinson on the minimum, Corey Brewer on the minimum, and Nuwab on the minimum. Alright, so we offered everybody. Here we are, going to make some moves. It'd be amazing if we could do this. Oh my gosh, we didn't get Paul George. We can get Kevin Durant. We can get Kevin Durant. Oh my gosh, let's go. If we get Kevin Durant and Boogie. Sorry, you two. We can't sign anybody until those two contracts are signed. We have DeMarcus Cousins now. Let's go. Let's go. No. I refuse to let him get it. Go to Brooklyn. There we go. I refuse to let that happen. And Julius Randle is still a restricted free agent, so yes, let's go. We just had all 3 guys back. We just had all 3 guys back. Let me make sure we can do it to bring him back, but oh my gosh. Let's go. I'm not gonna be able to do it all. Oh my gosh, that'd be crazy. And we have a qualifying offer, I guess, on Julius. But alright, so now let's look at the roster real quick. This is gonna be nuts. Alright, I'll catch you guys at the end of next season. Now that you've seen the roster, and let's hope that we're a 1 seed or close. Here at the end of year 2, Westbrook is your MVP. Rookie of the year is Doncic. Jason Tatum is 6th man. Hassan is your defensive player. Kyrie's most improved, and Steve Kerr, coach of the year. Let's get it. Here are your All-NBA teams. So you see no Lakers there. No Lakers there. There's 2 Lakers. There we go. All defensive teams. Lonzo Ball. He's my boy. Kid can play. I'm telling you, he can play. He is the future of the Laker franchise. Like, he's been given the keys to go to work. This should be a no problem round, as we are clearly better than them. Here we are up against the 5 seed. This shouldn't be a problem. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I get up 3-2. Okay. We were eliminated. Oh my gosh. And the Warriors win again. They literally don't deserve to win. It drives me nuts. I hate the Warriors. Alright, I'll catch you guys at the end of next season, as we're not going to make any moves. Guys, you don't believe it, but look who got the MVP. Lonzo Ball. I don't know who that is. Rookie of the year. Frank Ntilikina is your 6th man. Hassan Whiteside, defensive player. Terry Rozier, most improved. And Steve Kerr, coach of the year. Alright, so your All-NBA team. Lonzo, All-NBA first team. All-NBA second team. We got KD and Boogie. And that is it for our All-NBA players. Lonzo's all defensive second team, along with his All-NBA first team and MVP. As you see, we are the 1 seed with a 72-10 record, and we're going to simulate the current round and knock off our boy Paul George. Ooh. Are you serious? See, this is a garbage 2K pose. That's some crap. Alright, well, you know what? Thanks for watching the video as we simulate the rest of the playoffs out. And the Paul George, Russell Westbrook, if they win, okay. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe while you're here. I'm uploading more consistent. I'm sorry, kind of bad about it today, but that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh yes, along with that, like and subscribe while you're here. We need the support. Road to 100. You know, let's grind it out, huh? I'll see y'all then. Peace.